welcome to my first video of my first public YouTube channel. So I bought a motorcycle and I bought a few things for that motorcycle. Thinking about doing a video series about everything that I got, starting with this 6-in-1 monopod tripod kit. Right now I'm holding my phone with my hand, and I'm assuming that I will obviously have to be recording with an action camera like that one, something like that. Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. Everything is harmful and everything causes cancer nowadays. I mean, even though I have gloves, I gotta tell you that the back feels really nice. It's weird. There's some cat fighting outside. I don't even know what most of these things are for. I am pretty sure I also saw this combination on Amazon. Instead of using the 3 legs, using this rubber piece right here for your vase. I can tell you 100% right now if that is the use for it, because honestly it doesn't seem very stable to me. Maybe I'm just talking nonsense, but anyway, that's why I will include a link in the description below so you guys can check this out, buy it if you like, whatever. Just actually watch a more professional video from the manufacturer. They have there also as well. And by the way, right here we just screw this on, and then we have for our action camera, stand for our action camera. I wanted to add as well that this twist and unlock to extend this neck, and I keep calling it neck, not sure that's what it's called, but anyway, that twist and lock is fairly short. It's hard to do with one hand, but it's very short. See, hard to do with one hand. If any of you guys is like, I want to buy this thing on Amazon, I've never bought any of these things before, I have no idea what they're for, or I have some idea what they're for, but not all of its components or parts or whatever that comes in a specific kit, then you're just like me. So you're gonna love this video, because I'm just opening things. Like I mentioned before, I was putting this on the neck of the tripod, and I was like, this isn't wide enough of a base, and then I realized it was for the monopod, should I say, I read it was for the monopod. I didn't realize it because I don't even know what a monopod is, but I'm sure I'm gonna learn along the way with you guys. Or you can blast the comments down below and just let me know.